course, y'all see when I struggle. All good. Let you see how quick this thing do. When it cooperates. If it cooperates. And of course you're watching, so it ain't gonna cooperate. Yeah, that is. Like I say, when everything's working good, things pop right out. But now I gotta go back and release the second bolt in the back. See if you can see here. See how deep that is in there? So I've got to use the socket or the ratchet and the socket versus being able to use my handy dandy Porter cable impact drill. All right, let you see one more. Oh yeah. Quick and easy, baby. All right.